Jabbar Rathore. This is Social Science, Class 6, Chapter 9, Asian Towns. So, किसके नाम पर से आपको पता चल गया कि what this chapter is about. So, in this we will learn about the historical towns, historical जो हमारे towns हैं, Asian towns from the very beginning. We are going to learn about that. Okay? So, major towns हैं जिसमें we have already learned about the Mesopotamia, Mohenjo-daro, Harappa civilization and many more are there too. Right? So, but specifically we are going to learn about the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro कि जो टाउन प्लानिंग है, what kind of people were living there, civilization, okay, this all kind of thing we are going to learn about in this chapter. So our first topic is ruins and history. Now what is ruins and history? So obviously we know the natural disasters always occurs, right, like earthquake, floods, okay, this kind of natural disasters happen, and because of that जो old buildings है, okay, some of the area were converted into the water body, some of the land area which is converted to the water body, and some water bodies are converted into the land. Okay, this kind of things happen because of the natural disaster. Other things were also there, earthquakes है जिसकी वजह से जो old buildings है were now in a ruin form, right? Same way small and big जो cities होती है, small and big Asian cities were buried under the earth. Okay, so these things happen, and whatever now this is under the ground, and during the time of excavation we found many evidence which is believed to be कि ये बहुत ही Asian से belong करते हैं these things, जैसे कि vessels है, some kind of tools were there, okay, old buildings, poles, street lamps, and some other things which is belongs to Asian town, and these are the great historical value. Whatever the things we have found during the time of excavation from this kind of area, these are the great historical value which help us to connect with the history, जो हमें history से connect करता है, and we gotta know about कि what kind of things were there, how people were living, what kind of things they were using, and etc. etc. Yeah. So, yeah, the first जो city have the major civilization were found during the time of excavation, that is the Indus Valley civilization. We all have know about the basic information about Indus Valley civilization, which we have learned the basic in a previous standard, right? So this is found in the Montgomery, which is presently in a Punjab. Okay, presently कहाँ पर situated है? It is situated in the Punjab, and this civilization were found during the time of 1921 to 1920 common era. ये इस साल में found हुआ था, right? So जो this civilization were also known as Harappan civilization. Why? Because जो Mohenjo-daro and Harappa are the two main cities of Indus Valley civilization. तो उसमें जो हड़प्पा है, it is believed to be, ये जो है हड़प्पा civilization, it is found very first. सबसे पहले हड़प्पा civilization found हुआ था in 1921 and 1922 में मोहेंजोदारो. So firstly Harappa were found, that is why this civilization were also known as Harappan civilization. Yeah. So now the thing is that कि जो obviously during the time of excavation we have found one part of this, then we believe कि some more parts will be also there. So we have continuing the excavation and we found more and more sites of Indus Valley civilization. So here more than 1400 sites were found. कितने sites मिली है? More than 1400 sites found हुई है of Indus Valley civilization, some अलग-अलग places में. Now these are mainly located जो राजस्थान area, पंजाब area, पाकिस्तान area and some of the गुजरात area में है. ये पूरा Indus Valley civilization वह located. वह in their time present है वो यहाँ पर located. Clear? So जिसमें से we have know that more than 1400 sites were found, but उसमें से कालीबंगा in राजस्थान and Dholavira and Lothal in Gujarat are very famous sites. ठीक है, let's learn. But some more sites to be found, जो और more sites है वो भी मिलेगी, because the excavation and the researching were continuing. Yeah, so and this period of time, the Indus Valley period जो है, it is belong to 3000 BCE, that means before Common Era, to 1500 BC के period के बीच का है. Okay, please. So firstly we are going to learn about that the Indus Valley civilization town in Gujarat. Okay, whatever the town we have found during the in Gujarat, that we are going to learn about it. This में से major जो है, okay, the major town we have found during the time of excavation in Rangpur, Rajri, Lothal and Dholapur. जिसमें से जो Lothal है, which is the during their time even during their time it is the great city and a great port center, okay, which is away from the 85 kilometer from Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad से वो 85 kilometer available है. I think many of us हमने देखा भी है Lothal. I have personally seen this civilization जो remains है, ruins है there. Now जो Rangpur है, which is also a great we can say that the link of history that give many information about the ancient town. तो जिसमें which is near लिमड़ी के पास जो है रंगपुर है. सेम वे रोजड़ी है, इट इज नियर गोंडल. सेम वे जो धोलावीरा है, इट इज नियर द कच्छ के आसपास है. क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू? सो दिस आर सम ऑफ द मेन साइट्स वी हैव फाउंड इन द गुजरात में ये दिस आर द मेन साइट्स. इस तरह से टोटली 1400 साइट्स है विच इज बिलोंग टू इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन. Now the thing is then what kind of town planning they were having. Indus Valley civilization की town planning कैसी थी? So town planning अलग जो buildings है यहाँ पर obviously they are having the building. Mainly अगर हम learn करें कि what kind of building town में building का structure क्या था, what kind of structure of building they were having. So it is in the grid form. सभी जो buildings होती है it is well planned and सभी जो होती है grid में होती है, grid में. Okay. Now each and every जो street होती है it is intersect at the right side, right angle में वो intersect होती थी. Next जो उसकी जो house होते थे they were built above the foot level से थोड़ा above build किए थे ताकि अगर flood आए और यानी बारिश आए तो उसका पानी घर के अंदर ना जाए. Okay, so this is the thing. Now जो small streets होती है, स्मॉल स्ट्रीट्स जो है उसमें कैसे बिल्डिंग थी, तो देर इज द डबल स्टोराइड बिल्डिंग यानी कि 2 floor. ओके, डबल स्टोराइड बिल्डिंग वर देयर इन दैट. एंड एवरी जो ईच एंड एवरी हाउसेज जो बिल्डिंग्स वहाँ पर थी इट इज अराउंड द कोर्टयार्ड जो होते हैं उसके अराउंड थी. सेम वे उस ईच एंड एवरी बिल्डिंग हैविंग द डोर एंड विंडोज, राइट. तो उसके डोर और विंडोज कहाँ पर ओपन होते थे? स्मॉल स्ट्रीट साइड्स में instead of on the main road. The window and doors out into the small street instead of the main road. Main road में खुलते नहीं थे. This kind of buildings की जो planning थी they were having. Now each and every building having staircase. सभी buildings में staircase थे जिससे वो double story थे. Obviously they were having the double story buildings. तो ऊपर के floor पे वो easily जा सकते. Same way each building having only single entrance. सिर्फ एक ही entrance था building के अंदर. Now जितने भी obviously we know that कि जो town planning थी it is in a grid form. तो 3 जो grid यानी कि 3 buildings के बीच में एक well होता था. जो तीनों जो buildings whatever the people they were living in that building they sharing the one well. Clear? And they were having separate bath area. Okay, some of them were having also separate bath area. And the main feature which is highlighting about the Indus Valley civilization, it is the drainage system. Okay, each and every building having a one drainage system which is ultimately joined to the main drainage system. Okay, through the hole. और जो main drainage system होती है it is covered with the जो stone slide होती है उससे covered होती है. Clear? So this is the basic structure about the town planning. Okay, what kind of town planning they were having. Now what kind of road and streets were there? तो वी आर नो दैट कि जो बिल्डिंग्स है इट इज इन अ ग्रिड फॉर्म, तो उसके बिल्डिंग के चारों ओर स्मॉल स्ट्रीट्स होती है, ओके। तो ईच एंड एवरी जो स्ट्रीट है इट इज इंटरसेक्ट एट द राइट एंगल, सभी स्ट्रीट जो है राइट एंगल में इंटरसेक्ट होती है। एंड यू नो दैट ऑल द बिल्डिंग्स इन अ ब्लॉक फॉर्म, सभी जो पूरी सिटी है इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू ग्रीडी ब्लॉक्स, ओके, ब्लॉक्स में कन्वर्टेड है। नाउ जो मेन रोड्स है, मेन रोड्स ऑफ दिस सिविलाइजेशन, दिस सिटी, इट इज 33 फीट वाइड, ओके, कितने वाइड है? 33 फीट वाइड। नाउ अदर थिंग्स वर ऑल्सो फाउंड इन दैट टाइम, जैसे कि ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ एक्सकेवेशन many other things were also found which is belong to their people, उन लोगों से belong करते हैं, but still we are talking about the buildings and all that। तो जो street lamp pole है which is also found, जो street lamp poles होता है, pole and उसके ऊपर लैम्प होता है जिसकी वजह से क्या आगे नियर जो एरिया होता है उसमें वो लाइट प्रोवाइड करे, राइट। सो दिस थिंग्स वर ऑल्सो फाउंड। Okay, so next is underground drainage system. The next is underground drainage system. We'll learn about this in detail कि how what kind of drainage system they were having. तो उसमें जो है that is covered with the large brick slabs. Okay, जो underground drainage system है which is the highlight point of this civilization, क्योंकि बहुत ही greatly it was structured, जिसमें जो drainage होती है, like for example यहाँ पे ध्यान, तो ईच जो ड्रेनेज होती है यहाँ पर वॉल होते हैं जिससे सभी हाउसेस के जो या ड्रेनेज वाटर होता है वो यहाँ पर मेन जो ये है मेन ड्रेनेज सिस्टम से कवर होता है। नाउ दिस इज कवर्ड विथ लार्ज ब्रिक स्लैब, ये किससे कवर होता है? पूरा का पूरा लार्ज ब्रिक स्लैब से कवर्ड होता है, एंड थ्रू दैट वी कैन हम इस पे वॉक करके फ्रॉम हियर टू दिस पार्ट में जा भी सकते हैं, ओके। सो दिस हाउ दिस इज या वेल प्लान, ओके। नाउ होल एट रेगुलर इंटरवल फॉर क्लीनिंग, एज आई सेड यहाँ पर जो मैं ड्रॉ किया था वहाँ से रेगुलर इंटरवल होता है फॉर क्लीनिंग, यहाँ से जो वो भी ड्रेनेज का जो भी पानी आता है वो वहाँ से आता है। नाउ द बाथरूम एंड स्ट्रीट कनेक्टेड थ्रू पाइप्स, तो ड्रेनेज ऑफ बाथरूम एंड ड्रेनेज ऑफ स्ट्रीट है इट इज बोथ वर कनेक्टेड विद द स्मॉल पाइप, वो सभी स्मॉल पाइप से कनेक्टेड होते थे। सो दिस आर द अंडरग्राउंड ड्रेनेज सिस्टम। नाउ इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द पब्लिक बिल्डिंग, सो मेजर जो पब्लिक बिल्डिंग्स है वो फाउंड इन द हड़प्पा एंड मोहनजोदारो बोथ, जिसमें अगर इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द मोहनजोदारो तो इसमें जो एक टाउन हॉल है विच इज यूज एज अ ऑडिटोरियम, जो एज अ ऑडिटोरियम यूज होता था, अ बिग हॉल वो फाउंड, okay। Same way a prayer hall was also found, is believed to be there, people gathered there and prayer there। Now a civic center and other administrative जो office होती है which is also found as a public building। Now in the Harappa city there was a found a granary where they can store their food। तो ये जो granary थी it is built and it is structured like जो प्लेटफॉर्म होता है, मेन प्लेटफॉर्म होता है उससे थोड़ा रेज्ड फॉर्म में था, रेज्ड था ताकि क्या हो कि जो ग्रैनरी है ऑब्वियसली उसमें फूड स्टोर ग्रेन स्टोर होते हैं, तो अगर फ्लड आए तो उससे उसको प्रोटेक्ट कर सके, राइट। द सेम वे एंड इट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू डिफरेंट स्टोरेज ब्लॉक, अलग अलग ब्लॉक में ये ग्रैनरी डिवाइड कर दी गई थी, अलग अलग ब्लॉक्स होते हैं जिसमें ग्रैनरी डिवाइड होती है। Okay, now the grains, it is believed to be that the grains were collected from the peasant as a land tax, okay। तो जैसे even nowadays we are paying property tax and all that ना, so even that time जो land tax है as a grain के through land tax कलेक्ट करते होंगे, एंड जो भी वो टैक्स कलेक्ट यानी कि जो भी वो ग्रेन्स कलेक्ट करते थे, इट इज बिलीव्ड कि वो यहाँ in this granary they were stored in this granary, okay। Now the great bath were also found in the Mohenjo-daro city। Mohenjo-daro city है, वहाँ पर एक great bath जो है which is also found there, जो बड़ा ही great and it is believed कि वहाँ पर जो functions and ceremonies जो होती है वो उसके around होती, okay, it is believed to be done। Now what kind of food habits this kind of people having? So food habits क्या थी? तो obviously how do we know कि हमें कैसे पता कि ये लोग कौन what kind of food habits their people having, उन लोगों की food habits क्या थी? So we have found much evidence of foods and grains. Okay, and through that we assume that this kind of food they were having and cultivated this kind of food and eat that. So उसमें जो food habits है उसमें cereals है like wheat and barley. Same if we talk about pulses, same oil seeds about sesame and sesame oil. That millets like jowar, bajri, okay, were found. But we don't found much evidence of the fishes, milk, meat, date and fruits, which is also a part of their diet. पर उसके काफ़ी हमें जो evidence है वो मिले नहीं है. Okay. It is believed that they were also domesticated animals for their health, जैसे कि cow, oxes, buffalo, donkeys, that means asses. Okay, this kind of animals they were domesticated. Now other animals जैसे कि hump camel, rhinoceros, tiger, this kind of animals जो उसके symbols we are found in the उसकी जो design है we are found in the symbols of जो भी symbols मिले उसमें this kind of animals की sign मिली है. ठीक है? So this is about underground dairy system, public building and food habits of this. So next is economic life. So what kind of economic life they were having? So they were cultivate many crops. Okay, they were cultivate many kind of crops. They were cultivated. जिसमें wheat, barley, pulses, other kinds of oil seeds like sesame and all that. ये सभी चीजें they were cultivated as a production. Now in Kali Bengal, furrows were found during the time of excavation. जो furrows है in the Kali Bengal were also found during the time of excavation. Okay. Now other things which is related to the agriculture life. So in Afghanistan, present day Afghanistan, where they were found the irrigation canal. From through that they were irrigate and then supply the water to each and every needy area. So in Afghanistan the irrigation canal were also found. Same way in a Dholavira में क्या होता था? The ponds were using as a irrigation. Ponds were used as a irrigation purpose. Okay, and they will supply water to each and every needy area through the ponds. Okay. Now one of the main occupation of their people in their time was the pot making. Okay, whatever the food they were produce, जो भी production है for the future use, obviously they needed to store that, right? So where they will store it, the pot making was, and that is why the pot making was their main, we can say that occupation. So they were pot making and they were also alloy copper and tin. Alloy मतलब दो metals को mix करना, जैसे जो copper है और tin को mix करके they were making a bronze, which is believed that it is stronger than जो कॉपर होता है उससे थोड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है. दैट इज व्हाई दे वर मेकिंग दिस एलॉय ऑफ कॉपर एंड टिन एंड फ्रॉम दैट दे वर मेकिंग मेनी वेसल्स एंड अदर टूल्स. ओके, सेम वे जो नाइव्स, एक्सिस एंड अदर चीजर्स होते हैं विच इज मेड फ्रॉम द स्टोन्स, जो स्टोन से बनाते थे. ठीक है, अदर थिंग्स जो लोथल है विच इज बिलीव दिस इज द मेन ट्रेडिंग सेंटर था. जो लोथल था ट्रेडिंग यानी कि इंपोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट जो होता है फ्रॉम द गुड्स का, तो लोथल है विच इज बिलीव टू बी द ग्रेट ट्रेडिंग पोर्ट. Same way, what kind of dress, if you talk about the dressings and ornaments of that people, which is very highlighting, and we found enough evidence about the ornaments and dressings or figures. जो figures जो paintings हमने found हुए from that period of time, we got to know about many information from that. So जिसमें है spindle made of clay. Okay, how they were weaved weaving जो करते क्लॉथ की, which is made from the spindle से करते थे. Now men were wear flowing garments. जो flowing garments होते हैं men वो पहनते थे. Same way women wore skirts. Women क्या पहनती थी? Skirts. Same way they both drap shawl over their shoulder like this. दोनों ही अपने shoulder पे जो है shawl डाल देते. Okay, now what kind of ornaments they were wearing? So both were wearing ornaments of gold, silver and beads ornaments. और semi जो diamonds होते हैं जैसे कि jades and all that, उनके ornaments भी वो लोग पहनते थे. Okay, जिसमें necklace, earrings and bangles were famous. Okay, and जो women है they were also wear kajal and paint their lips. Okay, now here जो हमने देखा कि पोर्ट मेकिंग होता है, यहाँ पोर्ट मेकिंग एज एन अ मेन ऑक्यूपेशन. तो जो पोर्ट मेकिंग होता है उन लोगों को वो वापस डेकोरेट भी कर देते हैं, इन ज्योमेट्रिकल डिजाइन में डेकोरेट कर देते हैं. और प्लेन पोर्ट भी मिलते थे, मे बी दे बोथ हैविंग डिफरेंट रेट्स. ओके, तो जो पोर्ट्स है फॉर यूजिंग टू स्टोर देयर ग्रेन, तो उन लोगों को वापस वो डेकोरेट भी कर देते एंड उसको क्या कर देते हैं, पेंट कर देते विद द नेचुरल कलर्स. तो क्या इट शोज द आर्ट, ऑब्वियसली दे आर शोइंग द आर्ट ऑफ दैट टाइम. ठीक है, आई जस्ट फॉरगॉट दिस, सो अगेन एक्सप्लेनिंग. Now next thing is the household things and animal toys, which is also found during that time. जो household things है जैसे कि vessels है, candle stand है, okay, other जो tools है. Now this all kind of household things है which is also found during time. Some of them were made from the stone, some of them were made from the copper, and some of them made from the bronze, which they made with the alloy from mixing two metals like tin and copper. Yeah, so this kind of household things were also found. One major things about that, there was a child lover, they were the child lover थे, and they were making different animals के वो toys बनाते थे, which is terracotta. Terracotta means we can say the baked mud. मड को बेक करके उसमें से जो है या टॉयज बनाते थे फॉर द चिल्ड्रन. ओके, नाउ अदर थिंग्स वर आल्सो फाउंड ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ एक्सकेवेशन, जिसमें से वी गॉट मैनी इंफॉर्मेशन दैट इज कॉल्ड अ सील एंड अ स्क्रिप. ओके, तो उन लोगों के जो सील्स होते थे उसमें जो हम एनिमल्स हैं जैसे कि हम कैमल, राइनोसिरोस, टाइगर, ओके, उसके सील्स होते उसमें उसकी डिजाइन होती थी. ओके, so this kind of seals they were having. And if we talk about the script, so they highly inspired by the Sumerian people, which is also picture based language, which we call a pictographic language. So these people were also using a pictographic language जिसमें animals की sign होती है, ऊपर their language में कुछ लिखा होता है, which is even present day हम वो language को unscript नहीं कर पाए, समझ नहीं पाए. ठीक है, so this is all about the ancient towns and information about their people, information about their lifestyle. Okay, thank you.